Hello, great personalities. You're welcome to DNL Solution with Augustina Simeon. Today's solution topic is type of account that must function if you must grow wealth in business, because some persons often complain, I'm doing business, I don't understand what is going on. There are some mistakes. We're going to talk about the mistakes, unveil it, and this account, the type of the account, and how they must function in order for you to build wealth in business. Now, I'll go for some people say, I'm doing business, I don't understand how my business is going. I've been selling, but I can't differentiate anything. Most time, people often make this mistake of using just one account for everything. Their business income, they spend from their account, they sell from that account, they buy from that account, they give from that account. They can't even differentiate to even know if you function, you won't even know if you're making progress or not, or how to set a limit and a boundary for yourself. Of importance, you must grow wealth in business. You must split this account. There are other accounts that you need to open in order to work. In case you're not supposed to touch a particular money in an account, when you have exhausted the one you have in a particular account, if you're not supposed to, if it's one that you're supposed to touch, you touch, but the one that you're not supposed to touch, you wait till when it's another time for that account is full before you start spending, instead of just spending just the way it is, because the way you see it, because you are the CEO of the account and the business. That is not how it works. Number one, there are diverse accounts when you want to grow business. By capitalize on 4. There is one. Number one is income account. Number 2 is expense account. Number 3 is business account. Number 4 is investment or project account. Some persons also call it savings account, whichever. Number 1, we are going to talk about the income account. This is where money flows in. This is the main place. I call it the mother account. Even if you want to start business, the money that you gather is in this income account. It comes first before you now split it. This is where everything flow in. Later, you distribute the money that flows in to other accounts for duty purposes. This is where money flows in. All money, you now sit down to plan. From there, you now dispatch to other accounts. Number 2 is expense account. It's a place where your day-to-day needs are met. Example, self and welfare or skin or any other needs is being met. Number 3 accounts that must open is business account. This covers for all your business dealings strictly. It has to do with goods and services, expenses, and salary. It's your business dealings, basically. It has to do with your business dealings. From there, you pay your salary, buy your goods, you sell the expenses, you bring out your profits, and all the rest. Number 4 account is investment or project account or savings account. This is made for bulk savings. If in case you don't have enough, you make bulk savings for bigger investments when you're pursued. You save up for bigger projects when you're pursuing, or when bigger deals comes, you collect from here to invest in that place. That is how to grow wealth. Now, I would like to also talk about, you must go through this account, master it. I will also talk about how this account must function. Please pay attention. Income account gives or fuel expense and business accounts without emptying itself. It fuels business account, it fuels your expense account, because you need to meet your expenses. There are day-to-day expenses that need to be met, so that you will be able to focus on your business instead of that. And you also fuel business account, because that is where you invest, you do business, that is where you multiply money. Because money that is not multiplied does not grow. You want to grow wealth, you have to do on business. There is no other way. You have to invest in business to multiply the money that you have. Number B, that is the way the income account fuel your expense and business account. While in the other hand, account 3, which is business account, feed income account and investment account. It feeds income because it's income that gave to him, he still need to give back to it through his profits. After when he has separated this, he will still put part of his profit, keep his part us with profit in the business to add to it to make it grow. If you see fuel back, that is where it came from. If in case you need more later. Also, it also gives the investment accounts for bulk business when big deals come. Maybe you want to break into the global market to make big investments, or in diverse ways, in any way. If both the business and income accounts in order to grow its business. Now there is a rule here. Because you are the CEO of this company or owner of this accounts does not mean you will use it. Once you have exhausted the money in your expense accounts, you don't have any right to dip into the business accounts or the savings accounts or the project accounts or any other accounts. You wait till when you are fueled again, because once profit flows in, when business accounts give to income accounts, from their income will start to distribute again to expense and other things to meet your day-to-day needs, also to meet other projects. This investment account is also very important, not to tamper with it for bigger deals, so bigger investment, also when you want to do bigger things. So you must not, you don't need to, when you say put this money together, you don't need to go about borrowing, begging, or taking loan. It can work with what you have. That is how to grow business, grow wealth in business. This accounts must function. When you are you're successfully manage this account, you will now break into opening other accounts, such as maybe account for your children, accounts for project, for welfare, accounts for your retirement, on others, and so on. This is how it must function. For you not to begin to sing the same song of, I don't know where my money is going to, I'm doing business, I'm selling, but I don't understand, I can't meet people. That is working in a cycle, busy doing nothing. That is fruitless effort. You're in one place, you're making progress, as if nothing is showing forth. In order to avoid it, these accounts must be in view and stand by the rules in order for you to know if you're making progress, you're advancing or not. This is how to go about it. I believe this will help us. May God broaden our understanding. I pray that every information received, every solution received here, it will enforce, because it's well tailored to enforce your next level. It will speak its utmost potential in your life, in your destiny, in your business career, in your area of interest, to enter into your next phase. I also pray that everything that you received, may your understanding be open and grace to implement them, not just receiving the solutions, to implement them in their various ways, because this is the end of the first phase of this solution. The first batch, we are going to enter into a new batch, a new phase of this solution. Till then, see you all as we begin to make progress, as we enter into our needs. So it will be more of testimonies of what you have implemented, the information received, the solution received. May your understanding be broadened. I pray that may your eyes be open to do things that you're supposed to do, to see clearly and to know what to do to come out of where you are into your next level. God bless you all. See you in the next batch of our solution. Bye. Please remember to tag others, share, repost. Is a way of partnering with their solution to shine the light. Also, it's a seed that you're sowing, as I often said, that to speak forth in your nearest future, when you discover your own vision, or as you're running with your own profession in any area of your interest that you find yourself. Is also a way of partnering with God. Is a seed you're sowing that to speak forth, that to speak more in your future, in your business, in your children's life. Also partnering with God to shine the light. We are all to see each other shine, to shine the light of God in the life of each other. May God grant us understanding. See you all. Bye.